Welcome back, everybody, for another update for Open Stock, where the price will go, because right now we tested a major technical reversal as we discussed from the last video, and we have a really good reversal at the market open. So before we go further, guys, remember our content here is only for educational purposes and will not provide any financial advice, and always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it, guys. We've got huge, humongous reversal for open twice. The first reversal happened here on Wednesday, and we discussed this reversal around the 4. We have a jump on Friday. We pumped down, and then we reversed. We have another buyer over the 4, and we jumped again. So now we got a technical level that we have to break for open to open up again, to squeeze toward almost the $6, because we've got right now confirmed resistance here around the $5 or just below the $5, guys. This is the main event. We have $4 as a support, $5 as a resistance. $1 is the consolidation zone, or the war zone, whatever you want to call it. The war zone between the buyers and sellers. It is between, or concealed between, the 5 and the 4. As you see here, guys, we have a little pullback. The market was unusual today. We have a huge pullback and then a reversal, and now we have another pullback down for the market, as you can see right now. However, the main thing that we should expect, and we anticipate, of course, for open, is consolidating for this zone around this level, a huge zone for my opinion, because usually when we have a consolidation, we have like 50 cent or below for consolidation before a jump, but for open we have a huge wave between the 4 and the 5. As you see here, from the 4 to 5 is considered almost 20% jump for tier wise few days, which is pretty volatile. However, the volume is still not 100 million or half a billion, so it is slowing down, 29 million right now while we speak. The reason is because the volatility is slowed down. That's why we don't have a breakout. So we need the volatility to pick up again. It's not 29, but 150 million. Tier Y have 29 million. So open have 150 million, but before we have a half a billion and 250, but the market didn't close yet, so we might have 250 later on. But the main event or the main concern for us for now is the $5 breakout. Now we have a good reversal as we had yesterday, or on Friday. We have a really good reversal here. Now we have more drastic reversal because the price reversed from the 4 until almost the 5. Back here we reversed in 3 days between Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but today we did this reaction or almost the same in just few hours or even few minutes at the market open. Yeah, just half an hour we have a nice reversal. The price pulled back and jumped up. So now what we should expect for open, guys, we got this kind of trend that we should break for open around this white line, because we got a bit of resistance right now, and the sellers selling the open slowly. Before around the 504, and then for 96, and then for 94, and now for 89. You see, we have a slow considered selling for open, but not drastic. So this is good. That means we have a big buyer from below and a big buyer from above. So now we have to watch out for the 5. Once we break this orange line, guys, we're gonna have again the 528 and 585 and the 637, and beyond is around the 750 if we have a really good major squeeze for open. In the meantime, we have to watch out for the 4, because we need to hold it in order to reverse and break this level of resistance. We're going to discuss open and other stocks like SMCI, TRY, and other stocks on our tomorrow live streaming that we're gonna do usually 30 minutes before the market open, and almost 2 hours and 4 hours we do always pre-market watch list at our Discord, and bet you on the link in comment section below. As you can see here, guys, we always do a mini update. Last time we did the update for today was for Neo. We have a huge reversal from our support before the earnings, of course. So the link comes section below, guys, if you want to join. Thank you for watching, and see you, of course, by tomorrow.